Welcome to Land Reality Consult, ladies and gentlemen. Here you will learn amazing things with respect to GIS and remote sensing, land administration issues such as how to register land, how to acquire land, or how to acquire a home. So subscribe to this channel for more good content. Today I'm doing a video on the types of lands available for acquisition. So if you want to acquire land, it is important for you to know the various types of land that are available for acquisition so that you can make an informed decision as to what kind of land you want to buy. Stay tuned and watch to the end of this video. You will learn a lot. There are 5 main types of land that you can acquire in Ghana. And these are, we have the government or the state land. We have the vested, we have the stool or skin lands. We have families, and then we have individuals or private lands. So I will take time to take you through all these 5 major types of land in Ghana. So let's talk about government land, which is the number 1. Government or state lands. These are lands that belongs to the government or the state. So usually the state compulsory acquire these kind of lands to undertake developmental projects. These lands are usually acquired in the interest of the public, that is for public peace, national defense, provision of social amenities. Some of these lands are acquired by governments for those kind of purposes. So such lands are usually regulated by an act known as State Land Act 1962, Act 125. That is the legal law that regulates these kind of lands. And then these kind of lands are usually managed by the Public Invested Land Management Division of the Lands Commission. Public Invested Land Management Division of the Lands Commission. So the second in our list is the vested lands. Vested lands are also known as split ownership. These are lands that originally belongs to tribal groups or communities, but are now controlled by the state. These lands usually emerge due to maybe disputes or conflicts with respect to that particular piece of land. So when it happens, the government takes in charge of the legal control of the land, and then the equitable interest goes to the beneficiaries. So the state manages the lands on behalf of the beneficiaries. So the state, having the legal interest, can transact on the land, can alienate it, they can lease it, and the proceeds will definitely be given to the beneficiaries. With this, let's talk basically about the similarities between the state lands and the vested lands. You know, as I indicated, both are controlled by the state, vested and the state lands, and both are regarded as public lands. Both are regarded as public lands. So when you want to grant both state and vested lands, it needs consent from the Lands Commission. It means that Lands Commission has agreed to that particular grant. So you need to see Lands Commission if you want to acquire state or vested lands. So the third type of land in Ghana is stool or skin lands. A stool usually is a symbol of authority for chiefs in the southern part of Ghana. And skin is also a symbol of traditional authority for the people of northern Ghana. So, stool or skin lands are lands that are belonging to a particular group, united by a symbol of stool or skin. These lands are belonging to a particular group, united by a symbol of stool or skin. So such people traces their land from a common ancestor, and then they are normally controlled by leaders that are usually known as what? Chiefs or regents on behalf of the larger land-owning communities. So if you want to acquire stool lands, it should be done through the leader of that particular stool, which will be the chief, together with the principal elders of that community. So, validity of transfer of stool lands. Stool lands can be valid. The grant can only be valid if it is through the occupier of the stool, either through the chief or the regent of the chief in the absence of the chief. And both stool lands and skin lands should seek concurrence from the Lands Commission, as stipulated by Article 267, Clause 3 of the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. You should take a concurrence from the Lands Commission before it can be valid. So you need to take note on that. And the fourth type of land is the family or clan lands. Family lands are lands that belongs to a particular group of families. And these lands are normally headed by the head of the families, supported by the principal elders of such families. So the mandate to manage and control of the lands is in the hands of the head of the family. And the last type of land in Ghana is a private or individual lands. These are lands that belong to private or individual people. The individual people has the right to transact on such lands. And they are lands that are mostly common in Volta region and some parts of Greater Accra region. So this is the end of the video, but our next video we will talk much more about the processes of acquiring each type of land in Ghana. So kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.